Hi everyone, today me and my dad together are going to make a jar. Let's start. First draw a straight line. Next draw a double line. And there a third line. Now connect. With another connect. I'm connected. Now draw lines. Now draw a curve like this. And on the other side, draw another one. Now a line straight. Another line straight. Next from here, draw a curve down. And on the other one side, draw another one. Now connect them with a straight line. Next, draw a curve down here. And draw a curve here. Now draw another curve here. Or a line here. Have you heard the story called the purple jar? You want to color it purple? But it's not painted purple. It's just actually a potion like something. Okay, now let's color. Okay, I'm going to make the jar purple. A jar is clear and it's made from glass, so it's a little magic-y. And if you put purple, like me, purple smoke in there or purple something in there, it'll look purple because it's clear. Just like if you have a drink in your hands and it's just clear, but down it's black, you see, and you have orange juice in there, or apple juice. When you eat it, you could, before you eat it, you could recognize it's clear. And you see it. Oops. I'm coloring with my marker. I'm coloring with my pencils. Color pencils. I'm silly. Oopsies. But if it's just a color cup, you can't see it because it's only clear. That's the magic trick. But it's not made of magic. Okay, now let me make the lid color red. Or I'll do a color yellow. Okay, I'm done. Now I'll wait for my dad. If you're done with me, you can rest. I'll watch him though. I actually have a little bit of space to color here. Okay, after we're done, I really want to put it on the table and put some soup in there. And I'm going to take the lid off and eat the soup. Drink the soup. You can do whatever you like. You can just cut it and put it in one of your cupboards. First roll it, like this marker, and then now put it in the cupboard, and now prank anyone. There. I see a jar on my table. I better go eat it. Glug, glug, glug. Oh, it was so yummy. Should I give it to you? Here. And then I'll say bye. Bye.